Discover the latest woodworking tools on Amazon, ranging from budget-friendly essentials to advanced gear. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional woodworker, these tools priced between $20 and $500 bring precision, efficiency, and innovation to your workshop. Upgrade your projects with smart, reliable, and affordable tools designed to make crafting easier and more enjoyable. Woodpeckers Universal Cross Dowel Jig. The Woodpeckers Universal Cross Dowel Jig is priced at $140. It's a precision tool designed to help you create strong, reliable, and easily disassembled joints for your furniture and shop projects. By guiding you to drill accurate intersecting holes, the jig ensures perfect alignment for cross dowels, delivering mechanical strength that surpasses many traditional joints. This makes it ideal for building knockdown furniture that assembles in minutes without sacrificing durability. Whether you're designing cabinets, benches, or modular shop fixtures, this jig allows repeatable accuracy and professional results. A must-have for woodworkers seeking both efficiency and strength. Learn more and purchase securely online today. Woodpeckers Adjustable Setup Block. The Woodpeckers Adjustable Setup Block price. At $240 is a versatile tool that simplifies machine setups by providing precise reference measurements for woodworking tasks. Unlike traditional fixed blocks, this single device can be adjusted to any dimension from 1/64 inch to 1 3/16 inches, replacing the need for multiple blocks. With its easy-to-read scale, you can quickly set accurate cutter heights or fence positions with confidence. Designed for both sight and touch adjustments, it ensures greater accuracy and consistency in your projects. Whether you're fine-tuning router tables, table saws, or other equipment, this setup block helps achieve flawless results efficiently. Woodpeckers Equal Space Driver. The Woodpeckers Equal Space Divider. Price $29, is a clever solution for simplifying complex spacing tasks in woodworking and DIY projects. Instead of struggling with tricky fraction math, this tool allows you to quickly mark 6 equidistant lines with ease, covering spacing options from 3/4 inch up to 4 inches. Whether you're laying out joinery, drawer pulls, or decorative details, it saves time and ensures accuracy. Even skilled woodworkers who excel at fractions will appreciate how effortless it makes spacing work. Designed with precision and durability in mind, it's not only practical but also enjoyable to use, turning tedious measurements into an easy, efficient process. Woodpeckers Spline Jig. The Woodpeckers Spline Jig is priced at $12, the perfect solution for strengthening weak miter joints while adding a decorative touch. Traditional mitered corners often lack durability due to minimal long grain contact, making them prone to failure over time and seasonal changes. With this jig, you can easily cut precise slots for splines on your table saw or router table. Simply adjust the stops, place your glued mitered project into the jig and make the cut. After inserting and gluing the spline, you'll have a rock-solid joint that combines beauty with strength, ensuring your woodworking projects remain strong and attractive for generations. Woodpeckers Marking Knife. The Woodpeckers Marking Knife is priced at $60, is designed to deliver precision and reliability for woodworkers who value accuracy in their craft. Unlike pencils, which can quickly lose their sharpness and leave marks too wide for fine joinery, this marking knife strikes a crisp, consistent line that's about 1/10 the width of a pencil line. Its sharp spear point blade creates a physical cut in the wood, providing an exact guide for saws and chisels to follow. Crafted with an anodized aluminum handle, and secured with a stainless steel precision collet, the tool combines durability with comfort, ensuring accuracy and confidence in every project. Woodpeckers Gap. Woodpeckers Gap and Mini Gap. Gauges priced at $50 are innovative one-time tools designed to simplify woodworking by ensuring perfect joint fits without relying on precise measurements. These compact, easy-to-use gauges allow you to quickly match the size of one joint half, and the opposite end automatically sets the required dimension for the other half. This eliminates guesswork, saves time, and improves accuracy. Whether working with dados, grooves, or other joinery, the gauges guarantee tight, consistent fits. Crafted with Woodpecker's signature quality, they're durable, reliable, and ideal for both beginners and seasoned woodworkers seeking precision and efficiency in every project. Woodpeckers Polygauge SS. The Woodpeckers Polygauge SS is priced at $100, is a precision tool designed to eliminate the frustration of setting up machinery at obtuse angles. Unlike traditional mitre squares or bevel gauges that often introduce errors, this gauge ensures unmatched accuracy with precision milled angles, guaranteed within 0.0085 degrees. It simplifies machine adjustments by offering clear, dependable references for angles beyond the standard 45 degrees, making setups faster and more reliable. Whether you're working on saws, routers, or other woodworking machinery, the Polygauge SS helps achieve perfect settings on the first try, saving time, reducing mistakes, and improving overall efficiency in any workshop. Woodpeckers Ultra-Shear. Metric half-round bits. Woodpeckers Ultra-Shear metric half-round bits is priced at $50, are precision engineered to deliver perfect results for domino joinery. Available in 4mm, 5mm, 6mm, 8mm, 10mm, 12mm, and 14mm sizes. They are designed to match mortises cut by Festool DF 500 and DF 700 domino joining systems. These bits allow you to create flawless, loose tenon material, improving both strength and appearance. Unlike factory-made domino tenons with visible grooves, custom tenons made with Ultra-Shear bits look clean and refined, even in through joints. Standard inch round-over bits often fail in creating accurate metric tenons, but Ultra-Shear ensures precision, reliability, and professional quality joinery every time. Woodpeckers Iron Grip Small Parts Holder. The Woodpeckers Iron Grip Small Parts Holder is priced at $20, is designed to enhance both safety and precision when routing small workpieces on your router table. Its secure clamping system firmly holds delicate or narrow pieces, reducing the risk of kickback while keeping your hands safely away from the bit. The tool not only improves accuracy, but also allows for cleaner, more controlled cuts. In a detailed 14-minute video, Jeff Farris from the Woodpeckers Model Shop addresses common user questions and demonstrates effective setup techniques. With its durable design and ease of use, the Iron Grip is a must-have accessory for any serious woodworker. Woodpeckers Stair Gauge. The Woodpeckers Stair Gauge is priced at $90. Set takes a classic carpenter's tool and reimagines it for modern versatility. Traditionally used on framing squares for over a century, stair gauges are now adapted for multiple tools, making layout tasks faster and more precise. The idea began when a team member attached one to a Delvey square for repetitive angle marking, sparking endless new applications. Woodpeckers refined the design and now manufactures their own high-quality set. Whether for angle marking, stair layouts, or repeatable measurements, These stair gauges deliver durability, precision, and convenience, making them an essential addition to any woodworker's toolkit. Woodpeckers Indexable Mini. The Woodpeckers Indexable Mini price at $90. Tools bring professional accuracy in a compact pocket-sized design. This mini indexable set combines the functionality of a combination square and double square, now enhanced with a protractor head and centering head. The protractor head allows precise angle layouts with positive stops at 22.5 degrees, 45 degrees, 67.5 degrees, and 90 degrees. Meanwhile, the centering head quickly finds the center of both square and round stock. Each tool features full-inch indexing with laser-accurate scribing guides on graduated blades, ensuring dependable precision. Perfect for woodworkers who value accuracy and portability, these mini tools are a powerful addition to any workshop. Woodpeckers Corner Jig. The Woodpeckers Corner Jig is priced at $65, the perfect solution for creating smooth, accurate corners without the hassle of trial and error methods. Instead of tracing jar lids or sanding rough cuts, simply select your desired radius or chamfer, attach the jig to the base plate, and route flawless corners every time, either freehand or on your router table. This updated one-time tool edition now includes 4 new large radius templates, giving you even greater flexibility in your woodworking projects. Plus, it comes with a wall-mountable racket for convenient storage, keeping your corner jig organized, visible, and ready whenever inspiration strikes. Woodpeckers Knuckle Clamp. The Woodpeckers Knuckle Clamp price at $20 is designed to bring unmatched versatility and efficiency to your woodworking projects. By combining the proven functionality of pivot-style hold-down clamps with durable aluminum T-tracks, it offers a secure and flexible solution for clamping workpieces on jigs, router tables, or workbenches. Its innovative knuckle design allows for quick positioning and effortless tightening, reducing setup time while ensuring reliable holding power. Whether tackling intricate cuts or heavy-duty tasks, this clamp adapts easily, providing consistent performance. Woodpecker's attention to detail and craftsmanship makes the knuckle clamp a must-have tool, delivering convenience, strength, and precision to every workshop. Woodpeckers Joiner Carver Mallet. The Woodpeckers Joiner / Carver's Mallet is a versatile tool designed for precision and control in woodworking and carving projects. It comes equipped with 4 interchangeable, textured solid brass heads that deliver dead-on strikes with no recoil, ensuring accuracy and stability when working with chisels and carving tools. The solid brass construction adds durability and weight, making each strike effective without unnecessary vibration. Its ergonomic handle provides comfort and a secure grip, reducing hand fatigue during long sessions. Whether you're carving intricate details or joining pieces with precision, this mallet offers balance, reliability, and superior craftsmanship to enhance your woodworking experience. Woodpeckers Mortise Base. The Woodpeckers Mortise Base price at $200 is a versatile accessory that transforms your plunge rotor into a precision mortising tool. Designed with 4 sizes of stainless steel guide rods, it ensures compatibility with most routers while providing a secure fit. Unlike standard edge guides, this system features dual 2-inch wide fences that deliver exceptional stability even on narrow stock. This setup gives you pinpoint control over material placement, drag, and mortise positioning. Capable of creating mortises of any length, as deep as your router bit allows, and as wide as the bit you choose, it guarantees accuracy, strength, and flawless joinery for woodworking projects.